Hello, today we are going to learn how you can use FairPlayTube to generate videos transcriptions for your videos in YouTube. So let's see how you do it. So if you have followed our work, you know that we developed FairPlayTube, which is a video sharing portal focused on users and transparency. And one of the things that it allows you is when you have your videos uploaded, you will have automatically generated transcriptions in a multiple set of languages, right? So you see that we have this video, how to add Google Ads with Blazor, right? And we have this timeline. This timeline is in English, but you have several languages in here. So let's say that I want the timeline in or the transcription in Spanish. So you will see that now this is in here and I can go and modify it or fix a little bit this. So I can go and say, uh, hello, I hope you are doing great. I can translate that to hola, espero que se encuentren muy bien. Okay, that's that line translated to Spanish, at least one of the forms in which you can translate that into Spanish, right? And I can go and edit the rest if there are things that are not accurately translated, right? Because this video was actually in English and the automatic translation is not perfect, right? So after I have edited this, I can go and click download and I can go and download the transcript SRT file, right? Then I can go to YouTube, right? And I can add a new language, right? I downloaded the one in Spanish, so I'll add a Spanish for that. So I will use Spanish Latin America, right? Because that's what I would do, and I will add a file in there. Then I will click upload, right? And it is a file with timing, and this is the file that I uploaded, right? And I can further edit in YouTube, right? I can go and say publish, right? And that will publish it in Spanish. Now I can also add the title in Spanish. How to display Google Ads in Blazor WebAssembly. Um, and I can set that. Cómo mostrar Google Ads in Blazor WebAssembly. Blazor WebAssembly is not going to be translated, right? And I can hit publish, right? Now, let's say that I want to add another language. So let's say Italian. So I can go and change the language in here and I can go and look for Italian, right? Uh, I have years not practicing Italian, so I do not know if this is okay. Uh, and I can go download it, right? Generate the transcript, right? Well, download, that's the number one, right? And then I can go add language, right? I will select here Italian. So let's look for it. Let's look for it. Italian, 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 Italian. It's in here, right? And now I can go and set upload a file, continue, and I'll use the one in Italian and publish it, right? And you will see that now my videos have already multiple languages, right? So basically, you upload a video in FairPlay Tube, right? When you upload a video in FairPlay Tube, it will automatically participate, or it will automatically be indexed or analyzed, right? And it will generate the transcriptions for your videos in multiple languages, right? Then you can go edit it and fix it in here to improve your um, your wording in those languages, and you can go to your video in YouTube and add the respective languages to reach more persons, right? I hope this has been useful. Thank you very much, and please remember to subscribe to the channel and to share your to share the pages. Share FairPlayTube. Remember, FairPlayTube URL is fairplaytube.pticostarica.com, and you can help funding the work in FairPlayTube and keep all of the videos and other tools free by using the Buy Me a Coffee icon. You can donate 1, 3, 5, etc. In here, and you can set your Twitter handle too. Thank you very much and have a great day.